Hello student, welcome to my class of computer for class 9th. In this video student, we will learn how to create and how to work with the tables. So content are as follow, that is given in the syllabus. First one thing, how to create a table. Then we will learn insert, delete rows and column in a table. Then after the next point says split and merge the table. And then delete a table. At last we will learn copy or move from one location to the another location of the document. Okay student. So let's begin student. To do that student, we have to click on open Office 4.1.7. You have to click on the text document. This particular interface appear in front of you. Okay, so student, let's understand how many ways are there by which we can create a table. So we can student create a table with the help of standard toolbar also, by a shortcut also. So first of all, I will teach you student by the standard toolbar. So here you can see student, this type of icon you can see, that is table. Okay, so we have to just click on this arrow button and we can see that number of a table we can draw as per according to row into column way. You can see 2 into 2, that is 2 row and 2 column. Okay, here is 2 row and 3 column. According to this, we can increase the number of a table. Suppose that if I'm going to select this only the table that is 3 by 2. So I have selected, I'm saying inserted this one thing. So this is the way how to insert the table by standard toolbar. Okay student, so now I'm going to insert a table with the help of shortcut key student. Shortcut key as is Control F12 student. So Control F12 will open directly the insert table menu. Okay, I'm to say dialog box. It will ask you the table name. Suppose that table name, suppose that my table, and then it will say how many columns and rows. So you can put here number of the rows and column also. So I'm going here students, that is 4 row and 3 columns, and it will ask you, is this the first word thing, first column will be first column row will be as a heading or not. So you have to select this as heading. Okay, and then you can press OK option. So now you can see student, suppose that first column like roll number, second student name, third student address, fourth that is telephone number. Okay student, and then the next criteria like roll number, name, student address, telephone number, random number, and now 2 Kamal, PTH, any number that you can suggest. Okay student, so this way we can insert a particular table. Now as you see, as I created a table, you can see in this particular table property dialog box has been appear here. It will ask you, okay, to modification also. So what I will do student, I am going to create another one table, okay, with the same particular. If you will click on this one thing, same dialog box will be appear. If you will click on insert option and then click on the table option, it will same process. So I'm going to create here another table, that is my table 2. Okay student, here is 3 rows and 3 column, and first row as a heading, don't repeat the heading, and auto format also. It will show you what is the formation you will use. Okay, it is easy to select what of the one of the formation that you like currency, this one thing. Okay, so you can select one of that you like. So suppose that if I'm going to select this one thing and press OK, so now you can see, press again OK. Now you can see this blank table has been appear in front of you. So I'm going the some value like roll number, press tab button. Okay, it will automatically come to the next cell. I'm say column, student name, and student contact number. Okay, and you press tab button again, it will come to the next one particular row. You will provide a roll number, name Kamal Kant, okay, and contact number any random number, press tab 2 and any random number. So student, we have learned how to insert a table and how to format that. Okay, now we will cover the next one thing according to syllabus, that is insert and delete the row and column in a table. Okay student, so I am going to show you student in first table how to insert the particular row and column. So if we are talking about the row first, what we have to do student, we have to select any row, okay, any particular column, and we are planning to insert a particular row. So you can see that this one student, insert row option is given there. So you just click on it, it will insert a new row below that. Okay student, if you will click on Kamal, it will also insert a new row below to that. But if you want to just insert the row, okay, just above that, what we have to do, we have to go to the table option and then go to insert option, and you have to click on row option. It will ask you where you want to insert, before or after. So we am going to just click on before, press OK option. Okay, so now you can see student, before Kamal, the new particular row has been created. Same way we will do this one thing student, go to table option, insert, and then after that rows. Now same thing, before one row we are going to insert, so you can say before J there is a one row has been created. Okay, so I'm going to save some changes. If it is 1, then this will be 2 and 3, and it will be 4. So suppose that 1 Ramesh Almoda, some number, and come to the directly Pooja Almoda, any number. Okay student, so now we are talking about how to insert a new particular column. Okay, I am to say a new particular vertical thing, this one thing, that is not column. So what we am going to do student, after roll number, if I am going to insert what thing, the particular SR number. Okay, so I have to click on this. Now you can see that this will come. Okay, and you can type here SR number. Okay, some number that you like. Okay, so just click on it. Now student, you can see that same role will play with the inserting column also. Okay, that is right or left. So if I suppose that if I am going to insert the column before the roll number column, so what I will do, go to table option, insert option, and then after that it will ask you that is column. So here before and after, so I am going to planning for before, click on this. You can see roll number has shifted to the left side automatically, and here you can just type here that is SR number. Okay, and now I can insert any SR number that you like. Okay student, now we have learned student how to insert, okay, rows and column in a table, and now how to delete rows and column from the table. Okay, suppose that if I am going to insert a particular row, okay, before, just before that, so you have to click on this. Now you can see that blank has inserted. Okay, here also if I am going to insert table, insert, then row, just before, like this. Okay, if I want to delete this particular row, what I will do student, you have to just select this particular cell, I am to say this particular row, and right click on this, and then go to delete option will be there, that is here row. So click on row and then go to delete option, it will delete it. Same way you have to select this particular cell. Okay, I am to say row, then right click on this and select the particular row. Okay, and then after that delete that, so it will delete this. Okay, same way if you are going to create a wrong particular column, okay, by mistake, okay, so I'm going to create the particular column like this, doesn't matter where I will create it, because we have already learned how to insert the particular column before or after. So how to delete that, you have to select this particular what column. Okay, then this one right click, and then after that go to the particular column and then delete it. Same way you can select particular this one thing by this way also, or wait for this arrow. Okay, right click on this, and then okay, you have to select this one. Okay, right click on this, and then after that go to column option and then click on delete. So you can see delete it. Okay, the new thing student, I will teach you how to delete a table. Okay, so to delete a table, what we are going to do student, I will insert a new particular table. Okay, and now if I am going to delete this table, what I will do, first of all you have to select this particular table. Okay, or you can select like this also. You have to wait for this particular column, okay, or you will wait for this arrow. It will select whole table, it will select particular column only, it will select only particular row only, okay. So if you want to select whole table, you can wait for this one cursor and then select it, and then after that you can click on table and press option, that is delete, and then after that table, so it will delete the selected table. Okay student, now student, we have learned how to insert and delete a row and column in a table. Now we will talk about split and merge the table. Okay student, so here we are going to talk about splitting a particular table. Okay, actually table is not going to be splitted, actually tables, column or rows we are going to split. Okay, suppose that here are two particular roll say name of the student. Okay, for example first name, second name. Okay, so what we are going to do student, we need to select that particular table, okay, cell, and then click on this particular split cell option. So it will ask you split into which number of cell, and we want to 2 cell, okay, direction horizontally, vertically. So first of all, according to that, vertically we are going to select. So click on this. Now you can see this particular one thing, we can adjust this one, okay, Ramesh, and then you can adjust this according to a choice, Ramesh Kumar. Okay, so here will be Ramesh Kumar because it is a split into 2 cell. Okay, if I'm going to split this particular cell into again what thing, horizontally, okay, 2 cell. So now you can see this will come like this, okay, and then again if I am going to split it into the vertical way, so select vertical, this one thing, and now you can put here F name, that is first name, and they can then after that S name. Okay student, so by this you can see student, automatically it is splitted one, student name, first name and second name, Ramesh Kumar, this one thing also. Okay, so we can split look like this also. I will teach you how to split it again with simple way. So you have to just suppose that created a 2 by 2 table. Okay, don't need to just click on this, you have to come out from the table first, and then you can click on this one thing, 2 by 2 table. As a simple way you can create 2 by 2 table. If I want to split it, so you have to select it and then click on this. If I am going to split it into number of 4 cell, I am to say further cell, click on vertically or horizontally, it's up to you, click on this. Now you can see that 4 vertical cell is there. Same way if I am going to split it in a particular horizontally way, okay, so whatever I will do, I will click on 4 and then this one like this, so you can see that it is split. Okay, and now we'll talk about merging of a cell. Okay, how to merge a cell. Merging a cell means to combine more than one cell into one cell is known as merging. If you will select more than one cell together like this, in table property dialog box it will show you this option, that is merge cell. So click it, it will merge it. Again if you are going to just click it and then you can merge it. Okay, so by that you can see how to merge the cell or how to merge the table and split that. Now we are talking about a student, the next one thing, how to delete a table. So simple it is, I have teach you already. You have to just select that particular table by this arrow and go to table option and then click on delete, and then after that table, so it will easily allow you to delete that. Okay, and then next one thing, that is copy or move the location, okay, of the table from one to another one thing. Okay, it will say copy and paste of table. Suppose that if I am going to just copy this particular table, I have to wait for this one cursor, I am to say I am going to select it, and then after that you have to press simply Control C, okay, for copy purpose, and go to the another one location there where you like to just print that particular this one thing, Control V. Now you can see student, this table also have another copy at the bottom of the this one table. Okay student, and now we can move the particular table. How to select it, okay, and then Control C, and then go to place where you want to, Control V, and here you can do one thing, select this table and then go to table option, and then you will delete it. Simply you can delete it. Now you can see I have moved the place of the particular table also. So student, we have learned how to delete a table, how to move a table, how to copy a table also. So in this topic we have cover the fourth outcome of the digital documentation, that is create and work with tables. Okay, so we have completed it. The student, I hope you are doing work. Okay, and till then, thank you and have a nice day.